Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and thank you for watching this video. Please, if you are watching this video and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. Just click on that subscribe button. It will not actually take you a second. And also don't forget to like this video and also share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much as you do that, and God bless you. So today I'm going to show you how you can claim candies on CoinGecko and also use the same candies that you have claimed to redeem um some free gifts on the same CoinGecko. So if you don't have CoinGecko, just open your Play Store on your Android phone and type in CoinGecko, then download the app. After downloading, you can install the app, then you register with your email and password. So after you are done with that, you will have this page when you open your CoinGecko. So you just have to log in and follow the step that I will show to you. So if you have done that already, when you open your CoinGecko app, just click on this box at the top right side of the screen. So I'll click on it. So this is where you will click or collect the candies. You can see I have candies balance of 730. So you claim these candies every day. You claim it every day. You can see I've claimed my day one, so I want to claim for today, which is 20 candies. Tomorrow I will claim 30 candies, like that, like that, like that. So I will just click on collect 20 candies. So when I click on it, it will claim it. You can see nice, you collected 20 candies today. So I'll click on this mix. So you can see that the number of my candies has changed from 730 to 750. So that is how you'll be claiming it. Tomorrow also, you can see the timer at the bottom. They said come back in 12 hours 3 minutes. That means you can even claim it after 12 hours. This 12 hours interval. So that means if I want to claim again, I have to come back in the next 12 hours. So I'll be able to claim another one again. So if you have claimed all your candies and you want to use it to get some free rewards, all you have to do is to scroll down and click on this my reward. Sorry, click on this browse rewards here. This place contains all those rewards that you have claimed with the candies. You can see all those ones that I've claimed with my own candies. So I'll click on browse rewards. So these are the rewards that you can claim with your candies. With the number of candies that you need to claim each reward, you can see this out to free. Out to free, you can see 800 candies. You need 800 candies to claim that. This one also, you need 800 candies. This one you need 200 candies. This one 800 candies. So it depends on how many candies you have, but I'm not ready to claim any of the candy, any of the reward. Now if I want to, like, let's say I want to claim this one, wherever CoinGecko, where NFT. So I just click on it. I will need 200 candies to claim that. So when I click on it, I just click on redeem now. So when I click on redeem now, get this reward redeemed with 200 candies, I will say okay. So you can see, you can find your voucher in my rewards tab. So I've successfully redeemed that one. So you can see that it's showing up here in my rewards tab. So that is how to claim your that is how to claim rewards with any candies that you have claimed. So that is that on that. Thank you so much for watching this video once again, and please don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share it with your friends and family. Thank you and God bless you. See you again later.